When was coronavirus first recognized? Answer: 1960. In which language is the name coronavirus originated? Answer: Latin. What is the meaning of word corona? Answer: crown. Coronavirus 2 is? Answer: RNA virus. As per the virus classification, the family of coronavirus is? Answer: Coronaviridae. As per the virus classification, the order of coronavirus is? Answer: Nidovirales. As per the virus classification, the class of coronavirus is? Pisoniviridae. As per the virus classification, the kingdom of coronavirus is? Answer: Orthonovirae. The genome size of coronavirus ranges from approximately? Answer: 26 to 32 kilobases. Which vertebrates are an ideal natural reservoir for the coronavirus gene pool? Answer: bats and birds. Coronavirus is related to which disease? Answer: CHARS and MERS. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? Answer: fever, cough, difficulty in breathing. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? Answer: SARS-CoV-2. How many types of coronavirus are there? Answer: 7. What does the structure of coronavirus look like when viewed by microscope? Answer: crown. What is full form of COVID-19? Answer: coronavirus disease and 2019. Incubation period of coronavirus infection? Answer: 2 to 14 days. What is the name of the test of coronavirus COVID-19? Answer: RT-PCR. What is the meaning of the word RT-PCR? Answer: reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. The coronavirus has originated from which country? Answer: China. Name the first country mostly affected by coronavirus. Answer: China. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in? Answer: Wuhan. COVID-19 affects which part of human body? Answer: lungs. What is the official name given to coronavirus disease originated from Wuhan? Answer: COVID-19. When was WHO designated novel coronavirus as COVID-19? Answer: 11th February 2020. Who declared COVID-19 as pandemic? Answer: WHO. When WHO officially declared COVID-19 is global pandemic? Answer: 11th March 2020. First case of COVID-19 seen in outside of China? Answer: 13th January 2020, Thailand. When was first case of COVID-19 seen in India? Answer: 30th January 2020, Kerala. How many countries, areas, or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? Answer: 216 countries. Which is the first state in India to implement full lockdown to prevent coronavirus? Answer: Rajasthan. When was the term Janata Curfew was first used by Prime Minister Modi in his address for the people of India? Answer: 19th March 2020. In which Indian state has been imposed full curfew due to coronavirus in the first time? Answer: Punjab. On which day is Janata Curfew imposed due to coronavirus? Answer: 22nd March 2020. When Indian government announced to coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Answer: 25th March 22, 14th April 20. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Answer: 21 days. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 2? Answer: 15th April 20 to 3rd May 20. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 2? Answer: 19 days. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 3? Answer: 4th May 20 to 17th May 20. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 3? Answer: 14 days. How many days remained total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? Answer: 54 days. Which application was launched by Indian government for COVID-19 tracking? Answer: Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu app launched on Answer: 2nd April 20. When did the Indian Air Force flower shower on coronavirus? Answer: 3rd May 20. Which countries are badly affected with more confirmed cases than India in first wave? Answer: USA and Brazil. Which country is announced the discovery of first COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Russia. Which was the first registered COVID-19 in the world? Answer: Sputnik V. In which state in India reported the first death due to COVID-19? Answer: Karnataka. Which was the first COVID vaccine authorized in United States? Answer: Pfizer vaccine. In India, which vaccine manufacturer company has got approval for novel COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Bharat Biotech. Who is developed the Covaxin vaccine? Answer: Bharat Biotech. Who is developed the Covishield vaccine? Answer: Oxford University and AstraZeneca. Covishield vaccine is manufactured by Answer: Serum Institute of India. Covishield is based on which development principle? Answer: Virus vectored. Covaxin is based on which was in development principle? Answer: Inactivated virus. The first mRNA based development for a disease? Answer: COVID-19. When was the first phase of COVID-19 vaccine is started? Answer: 16th January 2021. When was the second phase of COVID-19 vaccine is started? Answer: 1st March 2021. Which is the most effective COVID vaccine based on clinical trials? Answer: Pfizer 95%. How many shots of vaccines required for corona vaccination? Answer: 2 shots. First primary dose, second booster dose. How many days interval between 2 shots of COVID vaccine? Answer: Covaxin 28 days, Covishield 42 days. Which is the first vaccine using messenger RNA technology? Answer: Pfizer vaccine. Which technology used in Sputnik V vaccine? Answer: Human adenoviruses. How chloroquine and hydrochloric work on coronavirus? Answer: Block the entry of viral particles. Which was in we need single dose? Answer: Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Which vaccine is cannot be stored at normal freezer temperature 2 to 8 degrees Celsius? Answer: Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. SARS-CoV-2 belongs to what genus? Answer: Beta coronavirus. Which viral protein is the target for most of the vaccine development? Answer: Protein S. Hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are which type of drugs? Answer: Anti-malarial. In which year did the MERS coronavirus spread to Saudi Arabia? Answer: 2012. In which year did the SARS coronavirus spread to China? Answer: 2002. Spanish flu pandemic affected one-third of the world's population and killed about more than 500 million people. When did this epidemic spread? Answer: 1918. A disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is? Answer: zoonotic. Which section of Epidemic Disease Act empowers state government, union territories to take special measures and formulate regulations to contain any outbreak? Answer: Section 2. Viruses are named by? Answer: ICTV, International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Which of the following antibodies developed first against during COVID-19 and helps to identify recent exposure? Answer: IgM. In alcohol-based sanitizer for coronavirus, preferred ethanol content is? Answer: 60% ethanol or 70% isopropanol. Which of the diseases are related to coronavirus? Answer: MERS-CoV, SARS-CoV. What is the full form of MERS-CoV? Answer: MERS-CoV, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. What is the full form of SARS-CoV? Answer: Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? Answer: google.com/COVID-19. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of coronavirus? Answer: Coronavirus Information Center.